Caravita Pro Supplement Review. Is it a long-lasting solution for fungal infections? Hey, my name is David and I feel shy to speak in the mic. So, I used this awesome voice to create this unbiased review, which will help you to choose the right product. Fungal infections place both your personal and social lives in jeopardy. Be it a fungal infection of the toe or athlete's foot, or that of the scalp and hair. These are debilitating conditions that cause embarrassment for many men and women. From foul-smelling toes to hair that falls off at the slightest touch, it takes away your dignity and confidence. I know your search for a remedy for this infection has led you to Caravita Pro Review. And I promise that I will give you my honest and unbiased opinion on Caravita Pro Supplement through Caravita Pro Review. I'll share with you my experience using Caravita Pro Supplement to treat the exact same conditions you have. This should help you decide if this is the remedy for your problems too. Before proceeding to the Caravita Pro Supplement Review, if you decide to buy Caravita Pro pills, check out the link in the description of this video to get it at a special discounted price. First, let's know, what is Caravita Pro Supplement all about? Caravita Pro is a simple yet powerful formula developed to combat fungal infections, especially those that recurringly affect your feet, nails, and hair. It contains ingredients that help fight off nasty fungi and regain better feet and hair health. It promises to help you get rid of nail infections, athlete's foot, etc., to help you live comfortably without pain. Fungal infections are incredibly hard. They normally begin between your toes and spread to other parts of your leg or body. And this is a very difficult condition as most such infections are recurring. And it has high chances of progressing up the leg, sometimes even leading to the amputation of the leg. It is discouraging that most of the medications and remedies fail to treat this condition once for all. They fail to address the root causes within the body that lead to such infections and instead treat its symptoms. The result, infections that recur even after several stints in the hospital or multiple treatments. Caravita Pro Supplement claims to be in an entirely different league to such normal supplements. It promises to eradicate infections and problems of your nails and hairs to reinstate greater overall health and well-being for you. Let us see how Caravita Pro Supplement works to enhance your health. How does Caravita Pro work? Caravita Pro claims to work in a rapid method that gives you accelerated results. This helps eradicate all fungal infections. Further, it helps enhance nail, foot, and hair health. Below is a brief overview of its method 1. In this step, the ingredients of Caravita Pro Supplement work to penetrate and be absorbed by the body. Increased bioavailability due to some of these ingredients accelerate this process. 2. Remove all the heavy fungal buildup. This stage directly affects all fungal buildup to remove them entirely from your nail, skin, or hair. 3. This is the blood purification stage to remove all fungal spores from the blood. It also detoxifies the blood. 4. The fourth step helps rebuild the skin. It helps regain the moisture content and elasticity of the skin to make it look glowing and healthy. 5. The fifth step focuses on revitalizing and rebuilding the cells in the affected area. This step rebuilds your nails, hair, and skin cells. 6. Enhance your immunity to fungal infections. This prevents the onset of this infection in the future. 7. The ingredients then help and strengthen your lungs against pathogens and contaminants. 8. Penultimately, the ingredients double up in strength, boosting specific antimicrobial antibodies. 9. Last but not least, it helps remove all traces of fungi and toxins. This way, Caravita Pro Supplement helps you cleanse away all fungi from your system. It also strengthens your toes, hair, and skin to prevent future infections. The increase in immunity also plays a vital part in this. Through this, your blood and body will be purified of all fungal spores and toxins, guaranteeing comfort and greater health for you. Caravita Pro ingredients. All of this is thanks to the special patented formula of Caravita Pro. It contains potent natural herbs that not only fight off fungal infections but also reinstate better health for you overall. There are 26 ingredients contained in this formula that are selected based on strict criteria. These are included in Caravita Pro Supplement in an optimized that ensures 100% effectiveness. Some of the ingredients are beta-glucan, ERA-6, Japanese mushroom complex, curcumin, cat's claw, garlic, lycopene and pomegranate, quercetin green tea and ginseng, olive leaf extract, red raspberry, vitamin C, and vitamin E. Benefits of Caravita Pro. You stand to gain many guaranteed benefits with the regular use of Caravita Pro supplement. These are benefits that they promise to all people regardless of age, lifestyle, and body type, etc. 1. Get rid of all fungal infections. 2. Eradicate infections at their root, remove them from your system. 3. Rest worry-free of future infections as you won't have any. 4. Be free of debilitating pain and discomfort. 5. Reduce the foul smelling of your toes. 6. Wear the kind of footwear you love. 7. Enhance toenail health, making it look good. 8. Regain glowing and healthy skin. 9. Get better looking hair. 10. Eradicate hair fall, breaking, and splitting, etc. 11. Regain the shine of your hair. 12. Get rid of skin dryness, scaling, etc. 13. Improve your self-esteem. 14. Regain your confidence and good looks. 15. Cost-effective solution for fungal infections. 16. 100% natural formula. 17. Tested and proven safe to use. You can go through the many benefits listed on the official website to learn more. All in all, Caravita Pro supplement helps you eradicate fungal infections and forget about them. Its ingredients work to remove the final traces of fungi such as spores and blood toxins. This helps you regain good health, from the inside out. It helps boost your immunity and shields against future infections. It also improves your lung health, helping it fight dangerous pathogens such as fungi that it faces every day. Who can benefit from using Caravita Pro? Anyone who has been facing the negative impact of fungal infections in their life can use this formula to be rid of infections, once and for all. It helps them treat and forget about fungal infections. And you can rest assured that fungal infections will not reoccur with the use of Caravita Pro supplement. There is a high chance that your infection might be visibly upsetting to your peers. It might be in easily visible locations such as your toes, hair, arms, or face. But with the use of Caravita Pro supplement, you can go out and enjoy life again. Caravita Pro supplement helps remove the visible signs of fungal infections rapidly. No more foul-smelling toes, scaly itchy skin, or upsetting rashes and wounds. You will have a found-again confidence that will empower you to take on the world. Now let's talk about the dosage, usage and side effects of Caravita Pro. You can take 2 pills of Caravita Pro supplement with water every day and forget about the rest. This formula and its ingredients then go on to silently locate and eradicate the fungal infection. This dosage contains all that you need to remove all fungi and never have them infect you again. So, you need not take any more than the makers suggest, as this is an optimized dose suitable for everyone's purposes. However, you should be careful taking Caravita Pro supplement if you are pregnant, or if you are breastfeeding or suffer from another health condition. In such cases, we strongly recommend you consult a doctor before taking Caravita Pro supplement. Otherwise, being made of only 100% natural ingredients proven to have only benefits for the body, there are no Caravita Pro side effects. How long does Caravita Pro take for results? Do they last? The manufacturers suggest that you must use Caravita Pro supplement regularly for at least 3 months to see lasting benefits. This period helps the ingredients of Caravita Pro supplement enrich your body and penetrate all parts of it. This leads to the ingredients locating and destroying all traces of fungal infections from your body. With a full 3-month course, you can expect the results to last for a minimum period of 1 to 2 years. You can continue using Caravita Pro in the future to reap its rewards for longer. Paying close attention and making changes to your diet, lifestyle, etc., and being stringent with your hygiene can effectively give you peace of mind for the rest of your days. Is Caravita Pro a legit toe-nail fungus solution? Caravita Pro reviews and customer testimonials online claim that Caravita Pro is effective in curing fungal infections. Most of its users experience measurable results within a few weeks into the course. And these results are long-lasting and genuine. So, Caravita Pro supplement delivers on its promises and is a legitimate solution. Caravita Pro product complaints and customer reviews. Caravita Pro complaints are not available. People have been patient and tried their test. Those with good results have posted their reviews online. And this proves that the Caravita Pro is safe and risk-free. My final verdict. Should you buy Caravita Pro supplement? Caravita Pro is a formula that anybody can use to get rid of fungal infections. This formula helps people eradicate infections and keep them at bay. Improving your immune health and removing all traces of fungi from your body, Caravita Pro helps ensure that the infection never returns. The list of people all over the world who have benefited from the use of Caravita Pro supplement is still growing. Daily, hundreds of new users take to online platforms to share their experience and suggest this formula to others suffering from similar conditions. So, I believe this is a legitimate solution for your worries too. As said in Caravita Pro review, Caravita Pro supplement has the ability to help you be cured of fungal infections forever. What's more, it helps you do this all the while improving your overall health and well-being. Thousands of adults from all over have already discovered the benefits of Caravita Pro in eliminating their nail fungus problems. If you're looking for a safe and reliable supplement to help you with toenail fungus, Caravita Pro may be your answer. If you're ready to eliminate toenail fungus and enjoy your life again, click the link in description of this video to get Caravita Pro at a limited time discounted price. Caravita Pro supplement is covered with a 60-day guarantee. Since individual results vary considerably, you can try and seek a refund if it doesn't give you the required benefits. Thanks for watching this video. Have a good day.